And that discipline that I've been building over time is the reason that I was able to sign the deal for my first, I'm gonna just say it, first penthouse essentially. I'm telling you, this is the best unit in the building. And I think the withdrawal from yesterday just hit. Deposit hit, we're up 1,400. I didn't catch my own trade, but Keno catching the shorts. What's this, US30? Most people can't do that. Most people can't show up, look at the charts, and not take a trade. We make it happen day by day. I would be lying to you guys if I said I wasn't stressed out the last couple of weeks. It costs to be the boss nonetheless. And this isn't even counting that first month's rent. And it's crazy. It's gonna be the first high rise, first apartment over the third floor. I officially signed the lease. Look at that, you see my name? Completely signed the lease. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna see what we can do when it comes to the market, even though I am not gonna be taking no trades. You may be asking, why am I not taking no trades? I'm not taking no trades because the last 2 days I've made a good amount of money. And if you guys know my rule, hold on, I'm just putting my microphone on real quick. My rule is if I win 2 days in a row, if I lose 2 days in a row, I got to take the third day off. And it just keeps it so I manage risk every week. So it keeps me from getting too greedy. It keeps me from over risking, over leveraging. And it just keeps it so I manage risk. The name of the game when it comes to trading is managing risk. Hold on, I'm just trying to get my bottom monitor connected. But the name of the game is managing risk. If you can stay in the game, you'll have a way of making money online. You'll have a way of making money trading. You'll have a way of being able to wake up every single week of your life and have a potential chance of making money outside of having to give your time for a job. That's the one thing when it comes to a job. You're guaranteed to get money, yes, when you have a job. It's guaranteed a salary. It's guaranteed if you show up for a certain amount of hours, you're good. But guess what? Not everybody wants to do that forever, okay? Hold on, I'm trying to get up this VIP call, pardon man. It's 9:30 right now. I showed up right at 9:30 just because I have no reason to show up too early. I'm just gonna be here and watch the charts with the people, talk, educate them on what's going on, my views on the market, what I see. But right now, it looks like 9:30 is pushing so far. So I'm trying to get this call up, but it's not loading. I don't know, that show's being weird, but I just restarted the computer. It is what it is. But like I was just saying, we're going to see what we can do today. We're going to have a productive day. Nonetheless, we're going to do everything we need to do to get in a better position. I think I was looking at my email just now, and I think the withdrawal from yesterday just hit. So if you look at this is the email from crypto.com. Since I get the money sent to me through Bitcoin, it gets sent to my crypto.com. Why is it not focusing? There we go. You can see the email. It says it got sent to me. So now I'm going to go to my crypto.com app. All right, yeah, I came over to do the withdrawal because I seen that I had got the email for it, just saying that I had got the request and everything received. So I came over here, show my face, and yeah, we're waiting for it to actually continue to process. Right now it's just pending, and you can see, go get that free spin if you haven't already. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for that. It's still early. We'll see what happens. This shit is cooking me, bro. This isn't working. This isn't trying to load. I'm trying to load the VIP call. The Wi-Fi wasn't working, so I tried the hotspot, and the hotspot doesn't want to work either. So now I'm absolutely just confused. They're all in the live call already. I mean, I'm not trading, so it's not like they're missing much on me giving them a trade or anything. But shit, I'm trying to be there too. And I just can't even get nothing up. In other news, we got the deposit hit. We're up 1,400, and I'm pretty sure it's 1,400 just because of the Bitcoin probably moved up. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over. I'm gonna go to the crypto wallet. I showed the withdrawal process for VIP yesterday, so I'll show it for you guys here. So since this is in Bitcoin, I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna sell my Bitcoin, right? I'm gonna sell it into cash to my USD wallet, and I'm gonna put the max that I can do, which is 1362 in USD. So the Bitcoin equivalated to 1362. This white screen's a little crazy, so then I sell it. We wait here, and then I'm gonna have to get an authentication from my thing just to basically make sure that it's me, and everything's starting to load up again. Had to reset the Wi-Fi. Tap here. So now once I make it go from not USD, once I have it go from that Bitcoin to now USD, this number should change. Boom, 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 1405 now, that's USD. And then once I have the USD, I go to my fiat wallet over here, 1361. This 1361 is what we're going to transfer into our bank. We're going to withdraw. Boom. We got it, and we're gonna send that to, let me make sure I send it to the right bank account. Yep, I'm gonna send all of it. The daily limit, you can see yesterday I did a withdrawal of 1,090. So far for the month of September, These are the 2 withdrawals. Then I withdraw it. Boom, boom, boom. Confirm. This is where I'm going to need the authentication. Yep. I come over here, go to the Authenticator app, just a Google Authenticator app. Copy the little verification code. Paste that thing. Continue. And then there, another withdrawal complete. So now let's get to the team. Well, where's the trading view? Over. This will say it all. If trading view loads, we good. Can I join the call? Yes, we can. We back in action. I didn't catch my own trade, but Keno catching the shorts. What's this? US 30. He up a cool 125, 127. Not bad. No trades for me though. No trades for me. Anyone else in any trades? Besides Keno? Is that your TP? Oh yeah, TP hit on his trade. All right, just got off the charts and everything with the team. Smooth little day. Keno caught some good shorts. I think we had D caught some shorts. A couple other people probably caught some shorts. They'll probably just send in the chat. But on the live call, we had a couple people catch some trades. But I didn't catch nothing. I was just chilling. Took my withdrawal. We just talked about a couple things with the apartment. I was walking them through the process, like when it comes to everything, when it comes to all the information, all the paperwork, all the proof of income, everything that's required when it comes to getting an apartment and being self-employed. Because I have multiple different incomes when it comes to sponsors, when it comes to trading, YouTube, my VIP business, a whole bunch of different incomes that all combined make a good amount of money. And if you guys don't know, you got to make a certain amount of money to be able to be approved for the apartment. So I was just explaining them and giving them the game and walking them through everything that I'm going through. And speaking of that, I do got to call them. So about to do that, get the rest of my day started, walk these dogs, go on about my day. About to go get some food, get some tacos, get some mango drink. Hungry. Luna, what you doing over there? I would turn the camera, but these dogs are dirty. Dirty ass dogs. You. And you too. All right, right now we about to get some tacos. We haven't got tacos in a while just because I'm tacoed and burritoed out. Had Chipotle yesterday, and I was eating Chipotle like every day for like a year and a half, 2 years straight before I moved to Florida. So Chipotle, I kind of cooked myself with that. The tacos she likes the most, and she likes to eat them a lot, and I kind of got fed up with them. So we had to go on a little taco break. But after today, we'll see if I'm craving them again. We shall see. Get some mangoes, mango drink, get some tacos, and then she got to go to work. And then once she go to work, I'm gonna head to the gym, get these gains. Oh yeah, got the mango. Haven't had the mango in a while. Got the food up there. Got the tacos, mango. She got to work shopping. Yeah, and then we got that tank. Cost to be the boss, man. It costs to be the fucking boss. Right now, I'm about to be at Wawa. Got to get gas and got to put air in my tire real quick. Drop my girl off at work and everything not too long ago. And we're about to just go on with the rest of our day. I haven't had a little gym vlog for you guys. So we about to head to the gym. And I got some shit to talk about. It costs to be a fucking boss, bro. I promise you. This life that you want, the lifestyle that I'm trying to live, I'm realizing every day how expensive this shit really is. It's expensive as fuck. I can make the money, but trust me, it comes to a point to where you realize, like, damn, I need to make a whole lot more. I'm not making enough. Things that you thought weren't expensive, bruv, it just goes to a whole nother level. Shit that you once thought was expensive isn't expensive, but then there's certain things that you need. Not one, certain things that you need that just cost so much more. Like deposits. Bro, it cost $800 just to move my dogs into the new apartment. It's a lot of money. But it costs to be the boss. We'll talk about that more when we get to the gym. We're going to give value. We're going to continue to just build ourselves. I'm trying to get fucking husky, especially with this new view we're going to have. Promise you, I need to get right. Mentally, physically, all the above. It's time to just lock in. I'm already locked in, but I got to lock in even harder. Time to 10 times. Time to go 20 times harder. We make it happen day by day. I would be lying to you guys if I said I wasn't stressed out the last couple of weeks just trying to make all this happen, but it costs to be the boss nonetheless. All right, I'm at the gym, but there's somebody in there right now, so I'm not going to be talking too much in there. But right now, I'm about to send this last piece of information and last piece of income verification. That low-key rhymed. This to the apartment. I was about to say the actual name, but to the apartment. And yeah, here we go. About to send it. Offer letter is officially sent, and this is something I wanted to record because if they don't accept this, there is no accepting it. There's not going to be no
2-bedroom, 2-bath, 2.5 bath. It might be a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, but it's not going to be this specific unit, unfortunately, because I've sent them everything that I have. They are looking for things that I don't have. So simply, I give them everything. If they accept this, then it is what it is. I am showing everything I need to. It's just a matter of letting God do his thing. But nonetheless, the one thing I keep telling you guys is no matter what happens, we're still going to do the same thing. I'm about to hit this workout. I'm about to do what I got to. I don't feel the best. I'm anxious. But guess what? We do the work anyway, and we do it because we know no matter what, we're on the right path. And no matter what happens, it's just 1% a day. No matter what. No expectations. We just do the work.
Team, family, everybody. It got approved. The apartment got approved. We are officially approved for I was about to say the name of the place again, but we are officially approved for the actual place. I got how much it's going to cost. You know how much it's going to cost me to move in? Just so you know, it costs a lot to move into these places. And this isn't even counting that first month's rent. Cost to be the boss. Remember that thing I was saying, cost to be the boss? I wanted to wait for all the pet fees, all the everything, all the prorated fees to all come here so I can show you guys and actually be approved. But man, it's crazy. It's gonna be the first high rise, first apartment over the 3rd floor. This is the second. My first apartment, it was the 3rd floor. This one, we're literally going 10, 15 times higher, bro. Shit's about to be fucking crazy. But I'm about to sign it right now. I'm about to record me signing the lease. I didn't record me signing my first lease, didn't record me signing this lease, but I'm going to record this one for old time's sake, because this is where shit changes, bro. This is where shit changes. I agree. My full name. Oh, yeah. Put in my full name with pride. My initials. I could put a custom signature. Yeah, I'm doing my own signature. My own signature, my own initials too. Sign that lease. Click sign right there. Just so you guys see it. Look at that. Look at that signature. It looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. Sign my documents. Your package is loading. Okay. Gotta sign that right there. Initial this, initial this, initial this. Okay, there's a whole bunch. Initial that. Put the date here. Okay, initial. Oh wait, this is in accordance with, and if I want to break the lease, you do not agree to pay, or if you break the lease contract. Okay, agree. But I think I just got everything. I'm gonna go over it one final time. It's a whole, like literally, let me show you how much is in here. I'm not gonna show like what it all is, but bro, it's a whole lot, but let me finish this. All right, it all looks all good. It doesn't look like anything out of the ordinary, just a lot of legal shit, but we're almost done. Submit the documents. This is where shit gets crazy. We're moving this month. It's on the 23rd. It's like 2 weeks away, 2.5 weeks away. Well, I officially completed. I officially signed the lease. Look at that, you see my name? Completely signed the lease. All I want to say is appreciate God, appreciate you guys, and I'm going to just say, I'm not going to stop working this time. When I first moved to Florida, when I first moved here, I stopped going hard. I stopped putting in the work. I got too comfortable. Not this time. I'm locking the fuck in. This is where I'm taking shit to the fucking moon. I promise you I'm taking it to the moon. Only going harder, only waking up earlier, only making more sacrifices. Simple as that. But I'm about to continue editing this video. So let's keep doing the things that got us to this position. Team. And I'm back. I'm just in my bed right now, continuing editing this content, getting some reels created so I can post them on my Instagram. And overall, this is where we're going to end the video. It was a great day, productive day. I took no trades. I had the discipline to take no trades. Most people can't do that. Most people can't show up, look at the charts, and not take a trade. That takes discipline. And that discipline that I've been building over time is the reason that I was able to sign a deal for my first, I'm going to just say it, first penthouse, essentially. I'm telling you, this is the best unit in the building. Best floor plan in the building. Just first penthouse, first one. It's crazy to think about, but we just hit 20K subscribers yesterday. Also, a lot is happening around the same time. So just so you guys know, I had a major discount for VIP. It's 50% off if you use the code at the end of the video. Use the code 20K. You're going to get 50% off of VIP forever. Lifetime, locking it in, 50% off. I'm telling you, trading, the content, everything is going crazy right now. Just because I'm simply following the process that works. I show you guys every day what I'm doing. I'm showing you what it's working, and I'm explaining exactly how to do it. So if you want to learn how to trade like me, free trading course, free trading webinars. If you want to join a team of like-minded individuals where you can take trades with them, live trade with them, answer questions, get asked questions, and just get mentored by people like me every single day, join VIP. Stay safe, stay productive, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's video.